This is Varuchi from Tadagat Physics, and today I want to explain what sound is. So, sound is just a disturbance traveling through a medium. So, when something is vibrating, it creates high pressure waves, air going upwards and putting a high pressure over here, and low pressure waves, high and low, the alternating thing. So, this, if played in an audible frequency, then you and every other human can hear it. And today I'm going to be attempting to make sound with this stick, which I think because of the shutter speed should look like invisible. And that's a topic for another day basically. So I'm going to be putting down the camera, and I think you should wear on headphones to hear this. I too don't know, just try wearing on headphones, you might be able to hear this a lot better. And I'm putting it down. Yeah, right there. It's just so loud in real life. I'm going to be doing it forwards towards you. And that's the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel and share and like my videos. If you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment section below. And I'm thinking of changing the channel's name, so if you have any suggestions for that, you can just put the name in the channel in the comment section. And thanks for watching.